What's up, everybody? My first FabFitFun box in, and it is gigantic. I don't know if they all come this size, but this thing is massive. Woo. It has this like really cute fall country road. Let's get into it. It does come with this 11 meals free from HelloFresh. I do believe I picked some of these items. So first thing is the Find Comfort Body and Hairspray from Rare Beauty. I know everyone's been going crazy over this smell, so I will be the judge of that. I do like the color and the packaging. It's like this soft neutral. Whoa, it's like a super chubby. Oh, interesting. I think this smells different than the perfume. This almost smells like chamomile and like a little bit of a masculine cologne. It reminds me of something from high school, like a deodorant I used in high school. In high school, I used like men's deodorant. Okay, so this is infused with biotin, niacinamide, peach flower. Interesting. So it's actually like good for your hair. And it does have this like really masculine note to it. So very interesting. Okay, Selena. Next, sticking on theme, is the Rare Beauty. It is the Rare Beauty Finding Comfort Hydrating Lotion. I'm honestly having a hard time smelling it because of the hair mist. It's such a strong fragrance. I can't really smell anything from this, but all I smell is like the hair fragrance. So we'll give that a go. And next is the BONDIBOOST Heat Protectant Spray. Awesome. I'm always looking to find the perfect heat protectant spray. I know when it's wet, you're supposed to put it in while your hair is still wet. You don't want to use it on like dry hair. If you're like curling, you want like a dry spray mist. So that's cool. Then is the Dr. Jart Everyday Sun Fluid. I can't remember if this is tinted or not. Nope, it's clear. So it's just like a sunscreen, an everyday sunscreen. It honestly just smells like sunscreen, so not in love with the smell of that. It smells like straight up sunscreen, but it's a really thin liquid product, so I feel like that would work really well under makeup. It does not have zinc in it, which probably means it doesn't have a flashback, so I will have to give that a try. Next is the Soft Pinch, another Rare Beauty product, one of their blushes in Cheer. So the packaging, it feels pretty cheapy. It's like a little bubbly and it feels pretty cheap, but this is such a beautiful color. I don't know if that's focusing, but very soft. And it's almost like a highlighter, this color. Yeah. Beautiful. It definitely gives more luminosity than pigment payoff, but this is like really beautiful. So very happy about that product. Is this little handbag from Millie Bianco. And it's just this little like puffer handbag. I thought this was so cute with the little knot, and it's just a perfect size when you're like running out the door to go do something quick and you just need like your keys and your lip gloss. So that one I picked. Okay. And lastly in here are these earrings. I chose these also. That's the thing with FitFabFun. I notice you do get to choose a lot of the products, which I really appreciate. You get to customize it a little bit. So these I thought were really cool. Oh, they're like snails. That's interesting. So there are these little spirals, which on the site I thought they were diamonds, like crystals, not little spirals, but anyways, you thread them through multiple holes. So you, like, this string part gets pulled through your ear hole, which I thought was like really cool. I don't have anything like this. So that is what was in my FabFitFun box from October. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.